Hello everyone, welcome back to TechGems. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Face ID if it is not working on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, clean the phone cover and Face ID sensors with a soft microfiber cloth. And if you're using a screen protector that covers the sensors, try removing it and test Face ID again. And if it is still not working, open the setting app and search for Face ID and passcode and open it. And here enter your iPhone passcode. Scroll down and tap reset face ID. Then tap set up face ID and follow the instructions to scan your face again. If the problem continues, force restart your iPhone quickly and press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. And once your iPhone restarts, try using Face ID again. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to TechStreams for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.